This is a 1937 Bentley 3.5 litre Vanden Plas Drophead Coupe. Exquisitely original and just under 16,000 miles showing from new. With a warranted 15,800 miles, it's the most original and best conserved Derby Bentley we have ever encountered. It's never been allowed to deteriorate to the point of requiring repair to its ash frame and retains all but one of its original underbody leather gaiters. Surely a strong contender for the preservation class of any major Concours d'Elegance. It was off the road from 1980 to 2013 and has since been treated to an incredibly sympathetic and detailed amount of recommissioning.